So you have your part of your transversus abdominis, your quadratus lumborum, then you have your iliacus. And this one would be your psoas. Although kung mo i-analyze yung psoas, duha siya diba? Na yung usa nga mercury siya kamay. Okay, you have psoas major, minor, you're going to learn that later sa upper lorenz. Okay, so psoas muscle that's one. Okay, aside from your other structures, you have your iiglof, your lumbar plexus, if you still can recall your iiglof, your ilioinguinal, iliohypogastric. So like this one, L1. So iliohypogastric, ilioinguinal, your lateral cutaneous nerve to the thigh. Then this one here, obturator nerve. Then this one, you have your femoral nerve. So, mali siya. You can find it here sa lumbar plexus. Okay, clear? Questions? Alam mo na, ilio, mga sila. Mas aware na mga yung ilio, hypogastric, ilioinguinal, you have your lateral cutaneous nerve to the thigh. I think this is your genitofemoral nerve. Genitofemoral. Then you have your femoral nerve. Then obturator nerve. Dili siya down there. Okay.